I tried the Walk Cash app and here's the honest truth. It's one of those walk to earn apps that promises you can earn money just by walking. But before you download it or spend hours walking with it running in the background, let's break down what's really going on. Walk Cash is marketed as a mobile app that tracks your steps and converts them into coins or points, which you can eventually redeem for real money or rewards. It usually mixes step tracking with daily tasks, offers ads, lucky spins, and other mini games to help users earn points faster, making it seem like a fun fitness plus earning experience. The first thing to know is that public information about Walk Cash itself is very limited. There aren't many verified payout proofs or independent reviews from trustworthy third-party sites confirming reliable cash outs yet, which is a concern for any app claiming you can make money. One recent review of a similar walk-to-earn app noted that while such apps sound attractive, they often rely on ads and offer very slow earning with no clear proof of real payouts. Apps in this category typically make money from ads. You watch ads, open chests, or complete partner offers and tasks, and the developers earn revenue. Your earnings are just a share of that ad revenue, which is usually very small. Many users report that walking alone hardly moves the points meter, and most of your progress comes from watching ads anyway. One positive aspect is that walking reward apps like this do track your steps and can serve as a fitness motivator. If you enjoy gamified step tracking and don't mind watching ads for small rewards, this style of app can be fun purely as an activity tracker. Some users also report watching review videos on YouTube showing the app interface and how the earning process works, which can be helpful before downloading. However, there are several red flags. There's no solid proof that most users reliably cash out real money from Walk Cash, and many similar apps push rewards that are technically possible only with extremely high step counts or task completion that most people won't realistically reach. Ads are often intrusive, and developer transparency about payouts and company details is minimal. Apps in this genre also often make very slow progress toward rewards, sometimes taking months of daily activity just to approach the minimum redeemable threshold, and there's no assurance the app won't change the rule posts as you near a payout. While the app encourages walking and mixes tasks to keep activity fun, it doesn't provide reliable evidence of meaningful payouts, and step-to-money conversion is typically very slow or impractical. Walk Cash is not clearly a scam in the sense of being outright fake or malicious, but at this point there is insufficient evidence to call it a legitimate money-making app. If you download it expecting strong real cash income, you're likely to be disappointed. It's safer to view it as a fitness tracker with potential token rewards, not a source of side income. Always be cautious about apps that promise easy money without transparent payout proof. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.